Have you ever wondered how planes defy gravity and soar through the sky? Planes achieve flight through a combination of lift, thrust, weight, and drag. Lift is generated by air moving over the wings at a higher speed. The shape of the wings is designed to create this lift force. Thrust is the forward force that propels the plane through the air. Engines provide the necessary thrust to overcome drag and maintain speed. Weight is the force of gravity pulling the plane down. Planes must generate enough lift to counteract this weight. Drag is the resistance the plane encounters as it moves through the air. Pilots adjust the angle of the wings and the speed to control lift. Air pressure plays a crucial role in creating lift. As air moves over the curved upper surface of the wing, it speeds up. This creates lower pressure above the wing, lifting it upward. Meanwhile, air moving below the wing exerts a higher pressure, pushing the wing upward. This difference in pressure generates lift. The more lift generated, the easier it is for the plane to stay in the air. Pilots can control lift by adjusting flaps and slats on the wings. Thrust is produced by jet engines or propellers. Jet engines take in air, compress it, mix it with fuel, ignite it, and expel it. The expelled air creates a backward force known as thrust. Propellers work by spinning blades to create thrust. Planes require thrust to overcome drag and maintain forward motion. Weight is determined by the mass of the aircraft and its contents. Planes must generate enough lift to counteract their weight and stay aloft. Drag is caused by the resistance of the air against the plane's forward motion. Reducing drag helps planes fly more efficiently. The shape of the plane, including its fuselage and wing design, impacts drag. Pilots can reduce drag by retracting landing gear once the plane is airborne. Wind direction and speed can also affect how planes fly. Crosswinds can make takeoffs and landings more challenging. Pilots use rudders and ailerons to control the plane's direction. Stabilizers help keep the plane level during flight. Pilots rely on instruments to monitor airspeed, altitude, and other crucial factors. Planes must maintain a delicate balance of forces to stay in the air. Even the smallest adjustments can impact flight performance. Modern technology and advancements in aerodynamics continue to improve how planes fly. Next time you look up and see a plane soaring through the sky, you'll have a better appreciation for the science behind it.